everyone, it's Alyssa from Stitchonomy, and today I'm going to show you how to do a backstitch. Embroidery made easy. Now you could say that the backstitch is kind of like the pumpkin spice latte of embroidery. It's like the Ugg boots of stitching, because the backstitch is a basic stitch. And it might actually be the most basic stitch of all. Because if you know this stitch, then you can actually finish any pattern out there. Of course, you won't be able to do all the fancy stitching, but you will be able to do the outlines and still create an awesome project. So let's begin. I want to stitch in a straight line, so I'm just going to use a ruler and a water-soluble pen to really quickly draw a straight line on the fabric. Thread your needle and make a knot at the end of your thread. Insert your needle from the back to the front and pull your thread all the way through. Move your needle a little bit further down the line. Insert the needle and pull all the way through at the back. You made your first stitch. Now insert your needle from the back to the front about the same distance away from your first stitch. Bring the needle down in the second hole of your first stitch. Move one stitch further down the line and bring the needle up. Then bring down into the previous hole. Continue down the line or with your pattern until you're finished. There's a link in the description with a free pattern so you can practice your backstitch. And if you have any questions, please comment below or find me on Instagram @Stitchonomy. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. This was Alyssa with Embroidery Made Easy, and I hope to see you all next time.